Today I'm checking out this small little handheld flux core welder that was sent to me so I can do the review. I'm going to go ahead, get it out of the box. We're going to see everything that this comes with, and we're going to test this thing out. All right, so this is the welder out of the box here, and it is a nice sized welder. I mean, it's not super tiny, but it's not heavy. I mean, honestly, to me, this reminds me of like a spool gun. It has a little bit of extra weight on it, but really not much. If you're used to using a spool gun type of welder, MIG welder, aluminum welder, whatever, this doesn't seem like it feels much different. So I do like that. It's all nice and small. Of course, you got your power cord, and then you've got your ground cable here. It's not meant, again, for anything other than flux core because it does not have any gas inlet or anything like that. So it can only handle flux core welding. It does come with, it says half a kilo, so about a pound of welding wire. It comes with this little brush. It does come here with some extra tips. These are consumables. This is the feed wheel and a couple tips, and then that outer piece there, the tip, and then the manual. So if you pull the tip off, it's already got this tip on there and this cover. So it's already set up to start working. But if for some reason you have any issues with this, you weld it bad, it gets clogged, whatever, you have extras. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this wire and everything set up on this to start welding, and we're gonna try it out. So I did wanna show this. Putting the wire in is pretty easy. You just pop up these two little tabs here, and then this pops open here. And then that is how you put the wire in. So very easy to get in, and I like the fact that it's even clear so you can see everything that you have in here, how much you got left, everything, if it's feeding properly. It's easy to see. So controlling this thing is pretty easy. Once you get it plugged in, you've got your power button right here, and then this adjusts your voltage and this adjusts your amps. So your amps, it said in the manual, is also going to be how fast your wire feeds. So the more current you push in, the faster the wire is going to come out. You pick your welding wire size here. This is 0.8, so I've got it selected to 0.8. If you had 0.9, you'd push the button to go to that. And that's it. Just a real simple, straightforward way to weld. So I've got it plugged in now. I'm going to weld these hinges up on this trailer that I've been wanting to do. So I'm going to go ahead and see how well this thing's going to do it. I'm definitely not the best welder out there. I can make two pieces of metal stick, but this thing puts out a lot of power for 110 volts. It had no problem melting that hinge down. I thought I was gonna have to give it more time to make it hot enough to melt, but it melted that hinge right to the metal, no problem. So yeah, so far, very cool little welder. I love the little handheld size, super mobile. And for me, flux core is like the jack of all trades. I use it for all kinds of things. Anyways, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.